Hello, Rick. This is Joelle from Zoe SEO and Web Design. I was so glad to have come into contact with you earlier today. Here is the short video that I promised that I would give to you, some tips on how to outrank your competitors on Google. So generally, when people search Google for plumbers to get service, they will either specify a region, such as Los Angeles, or put near me, as you know, along with the word plumber. So otherwise, they may get the definition of a plumber or a story about a plumber and all sorts of other things. So there's a need to specify what you want in relation to the word plumber. As we already know this. So, um, for example, when I search plumber Los Angeles, this is what comes up instead of a story about a plumber or just. Um, Now, at the top, you're going to see some paid ads, but generally people know their ads and will pass over those ad listings. So the next thing you'll see is what's called the map pack. And this is where companies have registered to do Google My Business to be in the map pack in order to be seen and found in their respective regions. Now, I was able to find your GMB, but the only way I was able to find it was by typing in your exact name of your business with the word maps. And so basically I had to type in drain solutions, plumbing, maps, and I found it right here. So I'm not quite sure what areas you serve from this listing. And when I go to your site and I scroll over your service areas on the bottom of your page down here, they're not clickable, which means they are not linked to separate back pages with these search terms in their URLs. But this is crucial for your business to be found in these regions. So let's go back to the search results. When we go further down, the first page of, that's not the right one. When we go further down the first page of the Google search results, we come across what's called the organic search results. So they're not the map pack, they're the first bit of organic search results. And ideally, you want to be in the top of the map pack or in these top 3 search results. And you definitely want to be on the first page so that the most amount of people will find your website. So when someone searches for plumber in Los Angeles, or say plumber in Mission Hills, or plumber in Sherman Oaks, or even plumber near me, what happens is Google crawls thousands of websites searching the content on that page and ranking them to look for the most relevant sites, the most powerful, and those that should be in the result of the search. So now let's take a closer look at your site. The first thing I noticed here is that there's not nearly enough content on this home page. It is a beautiful site. It's very pristine, streamlined, to the point, but you generally need to have about 1,500 words of content on your home page to be ranked by Google. And Google will come in and read your content and try to figure out what services you offer and what areas you serve. So they do this by reading the specific keywords on your site. So what I did is I pulled your site into a paid tool that we use to measure how sites rank on Google. And now the 3 main components to rank are backlinks, citations, and content. And so let's take a look. I put Drain Solutions Plumbing here in what's called Ahrefs. And right here, the first thing you're going to see is the UR and the DR rating. These ratings are very important to your placement in Google. The UR rating is a trust rating and shows how much Google trusts your website, and the DR rating shows how powerful they are in your eyes. So these numbers are raised by the number of backlinks you have, which come from the referring domains. Currently, you have 8 backlinks, and those are from 4 different websites. And 2 of those websites are powerful or recognized. So a backlink refers to a link pointing back to your website. To Google, it's like a popularity contest. And so a good example may be if a blog site were to write about how to unclog a drain, and they reference your website, and that would give you one backlink. So another important factor to rank in Google is keyword-rich content. So you want lots of keywords with the various search terms that anyone that needs a plumber would be looking for. And so right now you only have one keyword that you're ranking for, and that happens to be your name, Drain Solutions. So obviously what that means is that this phrase right here is on your homepage the necessary amount of times for Google to recognize that that's an important word. Now in comparison, let's go back to the search results for the plumbers in Los Angeles and take one of your competitors to see where they rank and what their keywords are. So I'm going to bypass these ads and this map pack right here. Let's go to the organic search results. I think this guy actually is also located in places like Arizona and stuff. So let me take this guy. Number 2, Mike Diamond Services. You probably have heard of him. So this actually immediately pulled up his locations page. So we're going to go back to his home page and take a look at how much content he has on his home page here. I didn't count it, but it's definitely a little bit more than what you have on your site. And so what I want to do is I want to take his website and put it also in Ahrefs. So looks like I already did it. Let's take a look at the overview. So we can see his UR rating and his DR rating are a little bit higher than yours. He's got 24,000 backlinks and over 1,000 referring websites. But the main thing that I want to take a look at right here is the organic keywords, and this is crucial for you to rank on your page, and it's easy to do too. So let's take a look. And the very first word is plumber. This is something that you would definitely want to put in your web page a specific amount of times for Google to recognize it's there. And so plumbers in my area, how to unclog a bathroom sink, local plumbers. This is the volumes of searches in the United States. And so plumbers in my area, how emergency plumber, drain cleaning services. These are just powerful keywords that you can actually put within your site and get ranked for. And so this is just a small little snippet of what search engine optimization is about in relation to backlinks, citations or referring domains and keywords. And this is what we do at Zoe SEO and web design. So if you're interested in learning maybe a little bit more and seeing how we can help you, Rick, I would love to connect again. And I would also love to hear any feedback you may have on this video. I appreciate it. I appreciate you taking the time to listen to it, and I hope to hear from you soon. Just respond to this email, or you can give me a call at 818-679-7762. Thank you so much.